Two the call number stop. In fact, all the chancellors of that university from Niger Delta, since I started, and they say, why you going to Niger Delta to do something? These are good neighbors. And I'm not saying that was our first, very nice.
I've taken
Come, take it from me. No, don't worry now. That's